All right, so we've consulted with our local rednecks, and we've got a bunch of trash that, you know, it's just not coming free. And our local rednecks with the 350 community, the 305 Come Alive group, and the 302, I don't think they're gonna make power group, told us a super cool secret when it comes to, you know, V8s. When V8s make good power, you know what they run off of? They run off good stuff. So I don't think it's true, but we're gonna try it. But we're using this super secret lubricant.
What do you want it, both? Just
all four of them.
All four of them. Why? It's on me.
Don't waste it. It's expensive. Look at that. Look at that couple cylinders. Well, don't drink the sauce. All right. Here we go. Oh, it's coming. It's coming, I think. Look, it's bubbling. That means it's doing something. Which, I'm kind of scared. You scared?
I'm not scared. I'm not scared of anything.
I don't know, man. Don't add too much. We might not have a block left.
There you go.
All right, we're gonna try to get it. Here you go. Just hold that, Grimace. All right. Oh God. Oh God. Oh hell yeah, brother! Look at that! Look at it! Look at it go! Oh, it's like a damn gusher. Look at that! Oh, holy hell! Oh my God! Holy hell! Look at that! Thing was stucker in mud. I'd say it. The rednecks might be right. Oh God. Heck yeah, brother.
Should we tell them what the sauce is?
Well, you guys gotta know. What we recommend on our V8s now is an ice cold Mountain Dew. Now, I wouldn't drink this. If it can break loose this motor, it's gonna break loose some stuff in your organs. That's why we only drink twisted tea. Ain't that right, buddy?
That's right.
Because I ain't putting that in my organs. If it can break loose, froze up, you know, 5.3 LS.
Unless you're built like an absolute tank, like me, then you can drink this.
Yeah, he drank this. I don't know. I wouldn't recommend it. But with that being said, here's a Skidbilly Tech tip of the week.